Hey everybody. Well, I got big news. We sold our place here, sold our land up on the mountain, and we're moving back to the city. You can see the shop is a disaster. Everything is packed up, sorta. I got multiple trailers loaded with pallets. I got the Camaros are wrapped up, ready to transport. I got all the shop equipment on pallets in the carport and household stuff in the trailer. Right now we're just waiting to close on the new house and so we can get moved out of here. I'm leaving the sawmill here and I'll be getting a new one when I get to town. We're going from 28 acres to half an acre, but I still got enough area to do what I want to do. So the sawmill's staying, the tractor's staying here, and a few other things. So I'm going from a tractor to a skid steer. So I picked up this used New Holland 565 and I got a bucket and forks for that so far, and I'll be getting some more attachments for that. What's the rest on the rest of the projects? There's the Blazer sitting out there. Of course, I got the new upholsteries in the back. I got the new springs and 2-inch lift kit for the Blazer. I'll be getting that on there. It's all sitting in there. That project will be coming up here in a couple of months. The rest of the projects I'll be getting going, but first thing I got to do when we get to the new place is I got to build a new shop. So we should be probably moved in. I'm hoping within 2 to 3 weeks we should be completely moved out and in the new place. And I've already ordered the new shop and materials to build that. And so that'll be first thing, one of the first things after we get moved. Got to get the new shop in. Of course, I'll be putting in a new car lift there because this lift is staying here. So yeah, the tractor with all the attachments, the gator that I've done stuff on, it's staying. So we are getting her done. Let's see, what else can I think of right off the top of my head? Just past couple of months there I haven't had any videos, but just been a whirlwind of stuff going on. And as you can see, the snow is melting off up here, and everything is muck and muddy. But actually today I think we officially hit 60 degrees. First time this year. But yeah, it's it's a mess. It's going to be this way probably for another month until things get, all the snow's completely gone and stuff gets dried out. But it's getting there. Alrighty, well, I'll be checking back with y'all once I get more of this stuff and we start moving in. I'll give you a layout of the new place, where the new shop is going to go. Of course, got to build storage buildings, lots of storage buildings. So I'm going to be, looks like I'm going to be ordering a Woodland Mills 130 max, I think it is. Yeah, 30-inch diameter logs. I'm going to take a few of the logs that I still have here. The new property has some hardwood. It's got walnut trees. It's got a big huge walnut tree that I'm not gonna cut it down. I'm just gonna trim up some of the main branches. But some of the branches coming off of that thing are in the neighborhood of 16 inches in diameter. So I'll get some hardwood out of that, and a big, huge, even bigger oak tree in the back that I'm going to have to cut off some of the side branches to that. And they're also the same type of thing. They're like 16 inches plus in diameter. The main trunk, I think, on that oak tree is probably working on, but somewhere between 3 and 4 foot in diameter. It's huge. But anyway, I'm gonna be leaving the snow, going to a warmer climate, which isn't gonna hurt my feelings at all come next winter. But as you can see, the lower section down here it's filled up from runoff, but nothing's flooded yet, because we haven't had any super heavy rains on top of the warmth. But you know, but that could change any day, and that river could top its banks down there, but that's common. Oh well, I think that should do it for now. Y'all take care, and remember, don't ever run out of projects. Take care, everybody.